Hello everybody, I'm PhilLiggett and yes, I'm on my 46th Tour de France. So welcome to France, because I'm going to do something very special in this 46th term for me at this great event. And that's tell you tales, the Nederburg stories of the life of the World Tour team dimension data in the Tour de France. I'm going to explain the beautiful wine that was started to be produced from one of the oldest vineyards in South Africa back in the 18th century. I'm going to explain what the riders do, how they survive the 3 weeks of racing, the traumas that are bound to come, the accidents sadly which are bound to happen. This is the Tour de France. It's the greatest sporting competition in the world. We're going to have a good 3 weeks and I want you to enjoy it with me.